Okay, so we're going to learn the purl stitch here. So the purl stitch is the stitch that creates these little loops or ridges here. The knit stitch is the side that creates the V's, and the purl is the side that creates the bumps. So again, I'll go over it showing you with the yarn in my left hand, and I'll do a few with the yarn in my right hand. Okay, so for the purl stitch, you're going to insert your right hook in front of the other needle. So in behind the stitch and then in front like this. So that when you're in the stitch, your left needle is in the behind, your right needle is in front. And then with your yarn in front, you're going to pull the yarn around the front of the stitch, and then you're going to pull this one through and then off the hook. So it's basically just doing a knit stitch backwards, because I can show you here. If you come through the front, had we been doing a knit stitch, it would be the exact opposite. We would be going through the back, see? So through the front, yarn around over the front, and then push that through. So now you have the stitch on your right needle, and then just pull it off your left. So again, coming in front, yarn over, and through this hole. So now the stitch is on your right hook, pull it off your left. Through, and pull it off. So if we're holding our yarn in our right hand, it's going to go right needle through the front, come around the right side here, so counterclockwise, pull the stitch off and pull it off. So again, through the front, we're going to come counterclockwise, off and off.